What's going on, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Devin Niemela and I love to build cars. This video is going to be a transformation video of when I bought this car. It was 99% stock. I think all it had was an intake. No, it didn't have an intake. It had a BOV on it and that was it. Not even tuned. It also had a manual boost controller on it and it was building like 11 PSI. So today's video is going to be a transformation video of taking this car 100% stock and building it into what it is today. A 515 wheel horsepower Evo 10. Enjoy the video. Alright my friends, I really hope you enjoyed this transformation video. As you can see, a ton of work, blood, sweat, tears, and years have gone into this car to make it what it is today. Absolutely beast of a daily driver. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I want you to do one thing. Go down in the comment section below, drop a comment, and let me know one thing you would change on this car to personalize it, make it your own, make it how you think an Evo 10 should look or perform, either or. If you enjoyed the video, go down below, hit that thumbs up button, and remember, if you want to support the brand, support the channel, the very first link in the description box below is a link to my brand, boston.com. I'm not asking you guys to go on there and buy anything if you don't like any of the merchandise that is currently up available. Just you watching this video is plenty. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Much more to come with this Evo 10. I'll see you in the next video.